Did you know that poodles are predisposed to certain health issues? These health problems could potentially impact your furry friend's quality of life. Today, our discussion is centered on these specific conditions, delving into the associated symptoms and indicators. Armed with this knowledge, you can take necessary precautions to safeguard your pet's health and maintain the joy they bring into your lives. Starting with hip dysplasia, a condition where the hip joint doesn't develop properly. This ailment is inherited and causes instability and possibly arthritis. Symptoms encompass difficulty rising or reluctance to stand, reduced activity and exercise intolerance, hind limb lameness or limping, signs of pain when moving, or a grating sound in the hip joint. Moving on to progressive retinal atrophy, a disorder causing gradual loss of vision and, in severe cases, blindness. This condition is due to inherited disorders that result in the deterioration of the retina, the part of the eye that captures light and sends images to your brain. The primary symptoms of PRA include night blindness and a steady decline in vision. The changes in the retina can often be observed during an eye examination. Early detection is key in managing PRA since it can significantly slow down the vision loss. Next, Addison's disease, a hormonal disorder where the adrenal glands don't produce enough cortisol and aldosterone. This disorder is characterized by extreme tiredness, a decreased appetite, vomiting, and weight loss. Additionally, physical signs may include abnormally low blood pressure, severe dehydration, and even a noticeable darkening of the skin. This disease demands urgent attention due to its potential for severity. Therefore, recognizing the early signs and seeking immediate medical intervention is indispensable. With Addison's disease, early diagnosis and treatment are crucial. Epilepsy is another condition common in poodles. It's a neurological disorder causing recurrent seizures impacting the brain's function. Symptoms include seizures varied in intensity and duration, momentary confusion or disorientation post-seizure, unusual behavior or aura before a seizure. Despite fear it can induce, proper management ensures your poodle lives a normal life. Next up is hypothyroidism, characterized by an underactive thyroid gland. This condition can cause unexplainable weight gain, despite not increasing food consumption. It may also cause continual fatigue, hair loss, dull coat, and dry, flaky skin. These symptoms may not always be evident, hence blood tests showing low thyroid hormone levels coupled with high cholesterol can be helpful in diagnosis. Von Willebrand's disease is a hereditary bleeding disorder seen in poodles. This disease is characterized by symptoms like nosebleeds and blood in urine or feces. It's identified by low levels or dysfunction of a specific clotting protein and causes easy bruising and excessive bleeding from minor cuts. Let's discuss Cushing's disease, an endocrine disorder. This leads to the adrenal glands overproducing cortisol. Symptoms include increased thirst, panting, a pot-bellied look, and weak muscles. Key indicators are high cortisol levels, thinner skin, and a higher risk of infections. It's a lifelong condition, but with correct management, it's manageable. Cushing's disease, if untreated, is life-threatening because it can affect the kidneys, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Lastly, we have intervertebral disc disease, a spinal condition. This ailment results from the degeneration of spinal discs, leading to potential herniation or rupture. It's characterized by back pain and impaired mobility. Other indicators are loss of coordination, paralysis, and spinal sensitivity. Being aware of these conditions helps poodle owners seek early veterinary care. It aids early intervention for better handling of breed-specific diseases. Regular checkups screen these issues effectively. Consult with a vet for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Don't hesitate to seek a second opinion for your pet's health. Give us a thumbs up if this information was helpful and share it with other poodle enthusiasts. Thanks.